If your furnace turns on and your house smells like a garbage fire mixed with a basement, congratulations, you're not alone. Here's why this happens and what it means. The burning dust smell. This is the most common furnace odor, especially at the start of winter. When a furnace sits unused for months, dust settles on the heat exchange and internal components. The first few heating cycles burn off that dust, creating a dry, slightly smoky smell. This is a common smell, and it doesn't mean harm. It should fade within a few hours or a day. However, if it persists, replace or clean the furnace filter. Let the system run for a while, and make sure the vents are clear. However, if it still smells funky, you need professional guidance. Musty or damp smell. A musty odor often indicates moisture. This can come from mold or mildew growing in the ductwork, near the evaporator coil, or around the humidifier. It could have been due to poor airflow, dirty filters, or high indoor humidity. This represents an air quality issue or a possible mold growth. Check and replace your filters, ensure vents aren't blocked, and monitor indoor humidity. Rotten egg or sulfur smell. This is one scent that you should never ignore, or it could be dangerous. Naturally is odorless, but utility companies add a sulfur-like scent to make leaks more noticeable. If you smell something like a rotten egg near your furnace, it's probably a gas leak. Turn off the furnace immediately, leave the house, avoid using electrical switches, and immediately contact your gas provider or emergency services. Don't try to fix this yourself. Electrical or burning plastic smells. At Superior HVAC Services, we've smelled this scent several times. It's a sharp, chemical, or plastic-like odor that can indicate overheating wires, failing motors, or electrical components under stress. It's probably a mechanical or electrical issue. If you smell something like this, immediately turn off the system and schedule a professional inspection. Ignoring this smell can lead to equipment damage, costing you thousands of dollars in damage. Have you ever smelled any of these scents? Comment below.